How's it going, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Frank. I am from Mozambique, and the main purpose of this channel is to share with you my passion with cars. I will be joining into some drift events, drag race events, and mainly I will be working on my project cars. Yes, I will. So I will try to I will try to work on my projects. And yes, to start with my first video, I will introduce you to my first project car that I will be working on it. I hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let me introduce you to my project car.
Explode me, give it all to me, give it all to me. Explode me, give it all to me, give it all to me. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
It's a 1999 Toyota Altezza. In the US, they call it the IS200. It got a manual transmission, 6-speed. Yes, a basic 3S engine. So that's the basic. So basically I will be working on this car. I will try to do the best upgrades that I can. So yes, let's see what we can have. Let me show you guys inside. Yes, as I told you, it has a manual gearbox. It needs some bit of work here inside, but not a big deal. The color is faded. We need some parts here. The gearbox knob is all rushed. Yes, I have this instrument right here, but it's not working. I will also try to see if I can fix that out. Yes, it's a nice car. Basically is what we have inside. So let's start it up. Okay, he's alive. The exhaust is not very well. It has a leak down there. I will try to figure out where that leak is coming from. Okay. Let's open the bonnet. Where is it? Okay. Let me show you the engine. It has a 2-liter CSGE engine. Yes. Oh, let me just turn off the immobilizer. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yes, see you next time. Okay, cheers. Bye.